Fuck these niggas. Busy, my head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie, my cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie.
Nadula Hair is the company we will be working with today. They sent me so many goodies, you guys. They sent me this like new transparent wig cap. It was like transparent. It worked so good. I will be using that wig cap in today's video. So we're gonna go ahead and hop right into the hair they sent me, y'all. They sent me a 13x4 transparent lace wig, and it is Brazilian hair, y'all. Look at this color, y'all. This color is perfect for the fall. This is a body wave wig, but I did go ahead and straighten it, as you guys will see. This color is perfect for the fall. I was trying to wear this to work, but it's actually not in regulation, so I couldn't wear it. But this, oh my god, y'all, the lace was so easy to blend. Look at this. It's literally transparent. Like, look at it. Wow. So I did go ahead and run my fingers through to see if I got some shedding. I did get some shedding when I plucked the wig, but right here I got like minimal shedding, y'all. Like maybe 3 or 4 strands. Nothing that's not normal, for real. All right, y'all, so I'm going in with the Eben spray, you guys. I'll leave all the products that I use linked down below. This wig cap is from Nadula Hair, you guys. This is the wig cap that they sent me, y'all. It's crazy how transparent this wig cap is. Like, look. Like, wow. Then I'm going in with the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation. I finally found the product. I was looking for that product everywhere at like almost every beauty supply, but I finally found it. So I'm going in with that all over the wig cap. Just so I can look bald-headed, because that is the point of the bald cap method, y'all, is to look bald-headed, okay? Now, I opted to go with a side part. I don't know why. I'm sick and tired of middle parts, but I did opt to go with a side part for today's video, and I absolutely love this wig, y'all. The color, like, I ain't never tried no color like this before, so I'm really excited. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Let me know what y'all think, okay? Leave a comment. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, and check out Nadula Hair down below. I will leave all the links down below in the comments.
Let's play around with
Talk it and skill out and do something